Yes, children. Now the indoor games, we are going to start weaving the fish. Weaving the fish. I will guide you how to weave the fish. Now this is the chart paper. We will draw the outline of the fish. Then your parents, your mother or father will help you in just giving, cutting the fish. Yes, children. Now shall we? Will after that, this is the next one. Yeah, 1 second. Now these are the second activity is these are the disposable glasses. We will cut the bottom of the glass for all the glasses, children, and keep ready. I'll show you here like this. Have an idea? We will do it. We will do it. Two activities we will do and enjoy this game. Arranging them in zigzag cups. We have to arrange them in zigzag cups here. Have you seen? Yes?
Yes.
The teacher. Yeah. Now here, in this way also you can arrange them. First 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Yes, later you can aim the ball and throw in the glasses, and that will go from top to bottom, and you will enjoy this game. Yes, children? Yeah, I'll show you one more. And enjoying playing with the small ball here, colorful balls. Yes, children? Yes. Now, Veronica teacher, I'm sharing the host rights to you.
Okay, teacher. Sai Ritvik asal vinatla teacher.
Sai Ritvik.
What happened, Sai Ritvik? Where are you? Sai Ritvik. Sai Ritvik.
Yes. All of you show me your chart paper. Show me your chart paper. Show me your chart paper. Yes. Up curve line here. Take the chart paper. All of you go up. Go up. Go up.
Teacher, bring little more to the closer to the camera, teacher. Why? Because it is not visible.
Once again, I'm drawing for you. Yeah.
Sri Abhiram, why are you not doing Sri Abhiram?
Up curve line. Doesn't matter how you want to draw. Up curve line. Up curve line. Big fish.
I'm watching you, Sri Abhiram.
Big fish we are drawing. Yes, children?
Sri Abhiram saying teacher is calling me.
Why will I call Abhiram? Why will I call your mother? Yes. Now the up curve line is over, children. Up curve line. Once again, make it dark. Make it dark. Make it dark. Up curve line. Big fish we are drawing. Now down curve line. Down curve line. Like this. Again, make it dark. Make it darker, children. We are drawing the fish, big fish. Why are we drawing the fish? Now we are going to do the activity to weave the fish. We are going to learn how to weave the fish here, like this. This is the tail. Have you seen the fish when you go to the market? Yes, big fish. Yeah, make it dark, children. Make it dark on that line. Yeah. This is a big fish. Yes? Yes? Did you make it dark? Yeah. Now, we all will draw the eyes. Eyes. How many eyes the fish has? 2 eyes. 2 eyes. Yes? Now, draw one curve line. Right curve. This is right curve. Right curve. Fish is a water animal. Fish has fins. Fish has fins. Yes, children, these are called fins. These are called fins. Fins helps the fish to swim. Yeah. What helps the fish to swim, children? What helps the fish to swim? These are called fins. These are called fins. Fins that will help the fish to swim. These are called fins. These are called fins. Fins. When you go to the market, you observe when your mommy is buying the fish.
Adya's parent, can you see the chat box?
Yes,
Chat box, ma'am.
you can see the fins. Fins helps the fish to swim like this. Big fins. Big fins. Yes, children, all of you draw one more fins here. Curve line. Yeah. Yes, done. Yes, children. Now, all are drawing. Yes. Now here, parents, please help the children just to give the, take the scissors and cut over here. Just cut here. I'm showing here. Can you see? Lightly you cut here so that we can, it is easy to weave. It is easy to weave. Take the scissors or any sharp thing which you can cut. Yeah, like this you cut children, cut parents, just help them, no? Now they will weave. We'll see how the children will weave the fish with the colorful strips of papers. With the colorful strips of papers. This you can gift it to your mommy also, daddy also. You can write happy birthday and give it to your parents. You are weaving the fish. What are you doing now? You are drawing the fish, and after that you are going to weave the fish with the colorful strips. Colorful strips. Yeah. Yes, children? Yes, children, did you draw? Did you cut here? Did you cut here? Yes, children. Now,
Teacher, wait.
yeah, I'm waiting. I brought some colorful strips here. Can you see my strips here? Like this, you two will get ready with the strips.
Rishika's parent, can you see the chat box? Rishika's parent. Rishika. Rishika.
Yes,
Rishika. Ma'am, can you,
Yes.
ma'am, just
Yes,
see the
children.
chat box, ma'am. See the chat
Now,
box.
now you take one strip. You take one strip. Any strip which you like. Any strip which you like. Take the strip.
Pink I want.
Which one you want? Pink one. Okay. Good. Come on, take. Here. You will put it under the first one. First cutting of the fish here, stomach. We cut the fish near the stomach, no children? Yeah. Now put it under. Yeah. Yeah. You must weave it like this way. You must weave it like this way. Yeah, like this way, children. Yeah. First we will weave it, then later we will trim it little bit. Like this. Yes? Have you done? Now don't repeat the same color. Don't repeat the same color. Take another color. Take another color and we'll weave the fish. Are you ready? Take another color. Start now. Yeah. First you put it under this paper. Then again go down. Again come up. Again go down.
Teacher,
Again, yeah. Again come
teacher,
up.
for few minutes I'll be off in my video, teacher. For few minutes.
Okay. Here children, again go under and come up. Yeah, like this. Can you see children? Place it properly. Adjust with your hands. Adjust with your hands. Children must adjust with your hands. Yes, weave it. Then take another color. Which color you like, you take that color. The third one. Now you must show me children. I need to take the pics. And you must write the name on the fish. Your name and your section. Your name and your section. Again send. You must weave it. Go down. Go down. Again bring it up. Bring it up. And pull it and adjust it properly. Adjust it properly here. Very good. All are doing on their own. Good children. What are we doing now? We are weaving the fish. We are weaving the fish. Now when we are weaving the fish, our eyes and the hands are working together. Our eyes and the hands are working together. Yes, children? Eyes and the hands are working together. Sorry. And eye coordination and the hand coordination are going simultaneously here so that we can be independent whenever you do weaving any other picture also. Now this is the first picture you are learning. The second one you will be doing on your own. See how the weaving is being done. This is called weaving the fish. Weaving the fish. Our hand and the eye coordination is going on simultaneously. Yes, children, we are concentrating and you will increase your concentration skills. Yes? Is it right? Now the next one, come on again. Place it under the fish. Go up, again come down, go up, come down. Yes, quickly, you must make quickly. We have to still only 10 minutes, 10 minutes time is there. Children, will you show it tomorrow? This one you'll complete and show it tomorrow. Yes, children? Okay. Okay, children. Now you will write your name. You will write your name and show it to me tomorrow. Children, look here. Yes. Now look here. All of you look here, children. Just look here. Just a minute. Look here. Just a minute. Look here, children. Yes. Yes. Look here. This the extra piece of this paper. You will cut. You will cut it. Yes. You will adjust the paper, the strips of paper like this, and the extra paper you will just trim it. Only little. It should not come out of the fish. Then you will write the name. You will write the name. How much you have done today? That also you can show it to me. Now first, before you show it to me, you write your name here. Write your name. Example. Adrat UKG L. Write your name. Write your name. Can you show children? Anybody finished?
I finished.
I will finish teacher.
Veronica teacher, can you please take the pic?
Yeah, teacher, I'm taking out. I'm
Even
taking out.
Even
Sri
mine.
Abhiram, put your paper down little.
Write your name.
1 second. 1 second, Sri Abhiram. Show the paper, Sri Abhiram.
Sanvi will finish, teacher.
Yeah, let us show, ma'am. Okay, 1 second. Sanvi, show your face little. Okay, 1 second.
Is it visible, madam?
Yeah, sir. But I think it is video is getting paused, sir. It is showing network problem.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. Now it's clear. Okay,
Children,
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
those who didn't
Teacher,
complete,
Bandhan teacher.
show ma'am.
Yeah.
Those who didn't complete, you will show it to me tomorrow morning. As I come to the class, you will show me. I'll take the pics. You write your names, children. We'll go to the second activity. As the time is up. Yes, children? Come. Now,
Chetan, 1 second. Hold it like that only, Chetan.
all of you get ready with your
Yes. Yes, Arush, I have taken. Okay.
yes, children. Now keep it to our side. Very nice.
Yeah,
Very
Rishika, I
nice.
took it.
Beautiful.
I
Did you have
took.
taken? Yes.
Yeah, teacher.
Did you write your name, children? Now get ready with the small paper glasses, disposable glasses. Disposable glasses. I'm showing you. Look here, children. All of you look here. Yes, pay attention. Yeah. Now I am going to cut the bottom of the glasses. Cut the bottom of the glasses for all the glasses. For all in the sense 12 glasses in the beginning.
Sanvi did it, teacher. Sanvi
Yes.
did it, teacher.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, children.
Sanvi, wait 1 second, Sanvi.
Did all of you cut the glasses? Yes. Now, yesterday I told
Sanvi,
you,
where are you?
get ready with the glasses and remove the bottoms. Just cut the bottoms and throw it out. Get ready with these glasses. Okay. Now I'll show you. Just 1 second.
Sanvi, show that glass which you have cut.
Can you see, children?
1 second, Sanvi. Yeah.
Can you
Thank
see,
you, Sanvi.
children? Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yeah, you can carry on, Sanvi.
Yes. Now, for the first one, you put a tape over here and fix it. Yes, children, this is indoor activity. We are going to enjoy throwing the ball into the glass. Yes, children? Now, children, first I have taken one glass. The next is 2 glasses. The next is 2 glasses. The 2 glasses, I have fixed it. Now I'm going to fix the third one. 3 glasses. Yes, children? Yeah. You can see here. This is falling off. Yes, I'll fix it and show it to you. Yeah. We are going to enjoy this game by throwing the small colorful balls into this glasses. Yes, can you see, children? Veronica teacher, is it visible?
Yeah, teacher.
Is
Yes,
it
teacher.
visible?
Yes, teacher. Rayansh, what happened? You're not doing Rayansh? Okay, you're doing it. Okay, okay.
Yes, children, is it visible for you? This is the indoor game. You can sit at home and play and enjoy with your sisters, brothers, as it is lockdown time, and you can enjoy and you can learn how to play this game and teach others. In this situation, we have learned so many indoor games so that we can spend some time at home learning how to concentrate and the hand and eye coordination while throwing, while aiming the ball, Yes, children, are you doing along with teacher?
Yes, teacher. Everybody are doing. They are taking parents' help and doing, teacher.
Very good. Now you
Parents are helping them.
and your mummy, daddy, sister, all of you all can play this game. You can stay indoors and play this game. Yes, children. Yes, it will sharpen your gross motor skills. Yes, children, this game will make you enjoy during this period. Now, this is the indoor activity. This is here. You can see the ball, colorful ball. Can you see the colorful ball? Veronica teacher,
Yes, teacher.
can you please take the pic here? I am dropping the ball. I am dropping the ball here. I am dropping the ball. See, it is coming. Can you see the ball? Yes. Yes.
Teacher, English.
Yeah, I'm dropping the ball. You can throw the ball, children, because now we are on the online classes here. This will be falling out. Yeah. It will fall in one more glass and come down. Yeah. You have to throw this way. You have to throw this way. You have to throw this way. Yes. You can see how it is falling. You can see how it is falling.
Teacher, only 1 minute is left, teacher.
Yeah. Children, did you take this pic, Veronica teacher?
Yeah, I have taken, teacher. I have taken.
Yeah. Now you can take.
1 second, teacher. 1 second, teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have taken, teacher.
Teacher.
Yes. Children, you love to play this game in your during this quarantine time, and children, you will really enjoy these kind of games. And children, you will tell me many more games like this. If you have any idea, we can play some more games also. Yes, children. Now, today, those who didn't complete can complete today. Write your name, section, and tomorrow I will take the pic, children. Children, the goal of playing the indoor games is to just to keep you smiling throughout the day. It will also help you to pass the time. More importantly, like staying indoors, so that particularly you in this situation, you need not go out and play. Yes, children. Yes, children.
Teacher, time is up, teacher.
Yeah. Children, those who did not complete can complete today and show it to me tomorrow. Write your name. Yes, all is done. Very good. Abhiram has done. Yes, Chetan has done. Yes, children. Yes, you practice. Okay, children. Okay, children. These indoor games will sharpen your gross motor skills, children. You will become very
Teacher,
brilliant.
I'm ending the meeting,
Stop.
teacher. It's 30.
Yes.
Bye, children.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Show it to me tomorrow. Also, those who didn't complete can show it to me tomorrow. Thank you for enjoying the indoor games.